So this is our Walkability app that uses street network calculations to generate a walk score, along with lots of other data that a user might want to use alongside that. So let's suppose I'm moving to Madison, Wisconsin, and I'm considering 2 apartment locations. So here I can see Madison. I can look around and move these blips, which have an isochrone around them for 2 7-minute and 15-minute walks distances. So I can experiment with different areas and check that out. So let's say I know my address and I enter it here. You can see this populates below with the location. And then I can hit get walk score and the app runs. And here we go. We have, in addition to these draggable blips, we have an isochrone that shows the entire walk shed and each of the nodes colored by walk distance. So you can see all the streets that the app is taking into consideration for the calculations. And then here we have the total walk score, 63 out of 100. Then I can look around and I can click on all the amenities nearby, see what they are. There's my apartment. Here's some parking. Here's some bar, etc. So that's all good. If I want more details, I can open this box here. I can see all the basic stats. I can see walkability score in comparison to other areas. My crime rate is very low. Air quality score is pretty good. And then here we show some of the metrics and how they break down for how the walk score is actually calculated. And then below is a table of the amenities if there is interest in that. So let's say I wanted to compare this apartment to another one. Here's another loaded page. There's my other apartment. You can see there's a lot more going on here. I have an 87 as opposed to a 63. There's a lot more of a walkable network. All of this entire area is accessible within about 2 to 5 minutes. And again, we have the details for this one. You can see a lot higher numbers, about the same crime rate, and so on.